The snack for day 4 is popsicles. Today in your lesson, you will learn about all kinds of animals that have to live and survive in cold climates. You will see in your science experiment how God gave animals special insulation to survive in freezing conditions. Now sit back and enjoy your frozen snack.